Hello, this is my homework 4. So for the first question, the user had to enter a sentence and then we had to reverse the sentence. So this is my code and this is the output. So if the let's say my name is Ryan, it will reverse it. So in the sentence Ryan was at the end and now it's in the beginning. Same thing with is second last to second. Name is third, and my from first to the last. For question 2, the user can input a word, and then this script resulted in how many times the letter occurred in that word. So this is my code, and in here, so for example, bot, bot, and then if you submit it, B occurred 3 times, the O occurred 3 times, and T occurred 3 times. If you put like my name, A occur 1 time, and occur time, 1 record time, Y go ahead, and it'll be in an alphabetical order, the occurrences. For question 3, the user had to enter a date, and this will display the date in 4 format, one in ISO format, the other one in UTC format, and then the other one is short date format, and then short time format. So let's just say today's date, and here it is the output. For question 4 to 6, we have to, it's in PHP, so we have to connect to the server, to the XAMPP server. I'm using XAMPP. I connected to the Apache MySQL for this to work. And so you go to my local host where my questions are. So for question 4, we had to write a PHP script that creates a variable states with the value Mississippi, Alabama, Texas, Massachusetts, and Kansas. Then the script should perform allow text. So the first one being search for a word in state that ends in XAS, and then store this word in element 0 of the array. For the second one is search for a word in state that begins with K and ends in S, and also perform a case sensitive comparison, and then store this word in element 1 of the array. The third one is search for a word in states that begins with M and ends in S, and store this in element 2 of the array. The next one is search for a word in states that ends in A, and then store this word in an element 3 of the array. Then the next one is search for a word in states at the beginning of the string that starts with M, and store this word in the element 4 of the array. And the last task is to output the array to the screen. So we have here, this is the code for it, and this is the output. For question 5, this is an email validator where the user input an email and this would output if the email is validated or not. So for example, my school address. This is a valid email address, but if you put like something like this without without the abstract, without this, it is not a valid email address. For question 6, we had to create a database where when the user enters and submit a website and a description of the website, it will be added to the database. So for this one, you had to connect to the MariaDB monitor, And so I already went ahead and did. So if you do show data basis, you can see URLs is already in there. Show then you use URLs. You would use it, and then the show tables, and then select everything from URL table. You can see already there's already 2 URLs in their description. And as you see here in my local host, there's a table already created with 2 of the URLs in the description that has been already pre-installed in a database. And so if the user want to add another one, let's just say for example Amazon, with the description, let's just say they have everything. And then if you submit that, it will say new record created successfully and it's already in this database. So if you go back to here and then select everything from you see right here, Amazon.com has been there. And so yeah, that is my homework for. Thank you.